Hello everyone, welcome to the WellArs channel. Today I'll show you what to do if Bluetooth isn't working on your Windows 11. You can go to Settings, find Bluetooth, and make sure it's actually turned on. If it's turned on, then type Troubleshooting here. Here you'll find various troubleshooting options, including Bluetooth. Click Start to fix any software issues with your Bluetooth. If that doesn't help, then you need to restart the services, yes. Windows services or services in English. Here, find Bluetooth support service and Bluetooth audio gateway. Right-click properties and select automatic. Click apply, then click properties again. Select automatic and apply. That's all there is to it. This has been WellArts. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye everyone.